Welcome. A binary operation is a rule for combining two elements in a set to produce another element in the same set. We write it like this. Note that it always involves the combination of two numbers to produce another number based on how we define the operation. A binary operation is often denoted by the symbol shown here, star. However, sometimes other symbols are used. The most common examples are the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, in addition, we replace star with plus, so 2 and 3 combine to produce 5. In subtraction, 10 and 1 combine to give 9. In multiplication, 3 and 4 combine to produce 12, and in division, 6 and 2 combine to produce 3. Binary operations are not always limited to these familiar ones. We can actually define our own operations on a set. As long as they follow the rule, they take two elements from the set and produce another element in the same set. For example, let's define a new operation star on the set of real numbers such that a star b is equal to a square plus 2b. Notice the operation is instructing us to square the first number a and add the result to 2 times the second number b. So evaluating 3 star 4, we replace a with 3 and replace b with 4. So we square the 3 and add 2 times the second number 4. Now 3 times itself is 9, and 2 times 4 is 8. 9 plus 8 equals 17. So this binary operation star combines 3 and 4 to produce 17. Two binary operations, star and delta, are defined such that a star b is equal to 2a minus b, and a delta b is equal to ab plus 3a. Evaluate 2 star 3 delta 4. Let's first focus on the brackets and calculate inside. The operation is star, so we use the rule 4a minus b, replacing a with 2 and b with 3. So we get 4 times 2 minus 3. That's 8 minus 3, which is 5. So now we are left with 5 delta 4. The rule for delta is multiply a times b, then add 3 times a. We'll replace a with 5 and replace b with 4. So ab is 5 times 4 plus 3a, which is 3 times 5. That's 20 plus 15, which is 35. Let's look at an example where there are no numbers. The binary operation star on the set with elements a, b, c, and d is defined by the table below. Evaluate the following. In part 1, we are finding a star c. When doing these types of problems, the first element in the operation is taken from the first column, while the second element is taken from the top row. So to combine a with c, we look for a in the first column, and combine it with c in the top row to get b. So a star c is b. In part 2, we need to determine the bracket first. We already found a star c, that's b, so we replace the bracket with b. So now we are only finding b star d. So we look for b in the first column and combine it with d from the top row to get c. So b star d is c. In the next video, we'll take a deep dive into the properties of binary operations. So stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Adobe Math Lab so that you can be notified on new uploads. See you soon.